There are three main types of cloud models an organization can choose from: public, private, and hybrid. Azure is an example of a public cloud model, in that a cloud provider, like Azure, is a third-party platform that hosts cloud services available to the public. Generally, the data is not stored on private, dedicated servers, as a physical data center server can host cloud instances from multiple organizations. Those instances are virtualized, isolating them from other organizations' cloud instances. In a private cloud, data and infrastructure can be hosted on premises or through a cloud provider, but the client has more control over the infrastructure. One example of a private cloud is Hyper-V, shown here. Hyper-V can host virtual machines and thus create an in-house cloud environment. Before we go any further, let's answer this question. Why would we need a private cloud? The main reason is regulations. In some industries, data has to be kept private, meaning it cannot be stored in a public cloud. In between a private and a public cloud, we have a hybrid cloud, which uses aspects of both private and public clouds. For example, if we were to keep classified data on Hyper-V, but the rest of our data on Azure, we would be deploying a hybrid cloud. Azure Stack, for example, is a Microsoft offering that offers private and hybrid cloud services. Besides knowing about the three cloud models, the main takeaway here is that a business needs to make sure to stay compliant with data regulations, that storing data in a public cloud does not violate those regulations and incur fines and other penalties for failing to comply with those regulations.